it comes to the personal training aspect of it, when somebody comes to me and they're like, one of the most common things I hear is, I don't even eat that much, right? And I'm like,
I feel like everyone says that.
Everybody says that. So I'm like, okay, some people, that's true, they probably don't eat that much. But I tell my clients, track your food. I don't want you to change anything about how you eat for the next 3 days. I just want you to record what you would normally eat.
Is that like the biggest wake-up call ever?
Literally. When people say, I don't eat that much, they think in terms of how much food they're putting in their mouths.
Yeah.
But then when I tell you, all right, track it, and then you see the amount of calories and what you eat, right?
And the soda here, the frappuccino
right,
here.
Exactly. So
which add up like crazy.
Yeah. I'm like, you think about, you go to Starbucks, get your, favorite drink, right? How many calories are
1,000
in there, right?
So easy.
And it's like, if you're, for example, if you're a female who's eating 1,800 calories, 1,900 calories, but then you go to Starbucks and that's your go-to first thing in the morning, and that's 800 calories. All right, you only got 1,000 for the rest of the day.
Yeah, you've just blown your day out of the water.
Yeah,
right?
And then you're wondering why you're overeating, and then you think about drinking something, you're not going to feel full for that long.
Yeah.
It's just going to be something to satisfy that craving that you need, and then it's man, it clicks for them. They're like, all right, I'm not eating a lot of food, but what I'm consuming is so high in calories that this is why I'm not seeing my weight change. And then you add in a lack of activity, right? So you're not giving your body a reason to burn calories.
Yeah.
Then
you're getting fat.
Yeah, you start gaining that weight.
Yeah.